Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again with your favorite finance lady. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm Ritual. I make finance content and some lifestyle video. I want to appreciate 300 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for watching. Who am I? 300 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm not taking this for granted. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys. If I skip thanking you, I will not do this video again, but I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so today I will talk about how I started this channel. Yes. How I started my channel. I started my channel May 16. I'm sorry, I'm not good with dates and time or something like that. So I started my channel May 16, 2020, and it has not been an easy thing. It's just 4 months, and I'm saying it's not easy, but it's not really easy. But the first thing I did was to research. So I went online, I went to YouTube, I watched how to start a YouTube channel, how to do this, how to do that. So I just wanted to know the do's and don'ts of YouTube and the likes, and that was what I did. I researched, and it's okay. So guys, so what I did was, another thing I did was to get a niche. Okay, I'm studying on YouTube, what am I going to talk about? So I'm an auditor, I'm a consultant. So I was like, you know what, let me give you guys finance tips. So I don't want to talk about big things like stock, bonds, all those big things. I was like, let me start with just normal personal finance, budget, money, expense, like that. So that was what I started with. And so I was like, okay, that's my niche, finance, and maybe some other things that are not finance related. So that was how I started my channel. And so what I did was I got a book. This book this is where I put all my ideas. If you can see this, so this is a Ritual YouTube journey. So this is everything I wrote about YouTube, all my videos, everything I want to talk about, all my videos, all the videos I've shot so far, that I've posted so far. This is where I put all my ideas. So before I shoot a video, I write down everything, I rehearse it, I make sure it's okay, it's not copyright, and it's original. So that's it guys. So that's how I started. So from there, the first video I filmed was not the one I posted. So that time when I was trying to film, I just put my phone on the table and I started filming, and it didn't come out well. It didn't come out well at all because my phone was shaking, things were not stable and everything. I was like, no, I can't do this. I need to get a stand. So guys, I got a stand. I'm actually using the light here, but I'll still bring it. So this is what I'm using. You can see all this old light shining on me. So this is the stand I got. So I just put it on a table. I'm filming on the bed, so I just put it on the bed, and so this is the old light. It has this this is my phone holder. This is where I put my what's the problem? So this is where I put my phone. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is a microphone holder, and this is all the old lights. So this is it. I just plugged it on. I don't want it to. Okay, so this is. So what I did is just to plug it on a power bank, so you can see. So, and I can change the light here. I can change it to a yellow light. Okay, let me experiment it. So I can change it here. So you can see the light is yellow. Okay, this is the yellow one. So basically I can just change the light. So this is the stand. The nylon is still there. I take care of it as my baby. So this is what I started with. I just hope this light is okay. Okay, so guys, so that's it. Then it came in this is the carton. It came in this carton, and this is how it is. This is just how it is. So I was the one that arranged it. I put it together using this manual. So there's a user manual that shows how you fix it, how to install. So this is it. So I bought it for 10,000 naira, and I just put it together, and it's okay. So it's actually helped me in shooting my video. My phone is okay, the light and everything is sufficient, and I'm good. So guys, along the line I noticed that there are lots of background noise, like a whole lot of background noise. I was like, I can't deal. So someone suggested I buy a microphone. That's what I'm using right now. I don't know if you can see it. That's what I'm using. So this is came in this pack. This is the pack. This is the microphone pack. They call it lapel microphone or something. You can see it. So this is the microphone, and this is, so it came with its own manual too. So this is the microphone manual, if you can see it. So this is the manual. It's pretty easy, and it came in this pack, this purse. Yeah, it's a purse. It's a cute, tiny cute purse. Then all the wires inside this nylon. So guys, that's it. And it's so long, like, it's, guys, it's really long. It's really long, and it's nice. And I bought it for 5,000 naira. So it means I've invested 15,000 so far on my channel. Yeah. So I started small, and I'm filming with my phone. I use a Samsung S8, and it's okay. I think it's sharp. No, not I think, I know it's sharp. It's okay, it's manageable. So it's sharp, and it's okay, it's great. I know it's not as sharp as compared to proper camera, maybe a Canon camera or the likes, but it's something. So if you want to start small like me, you can just start small. So it's fine. So I film with my phone, and I think it's okay. Along the line, of course, I'm going to get a proper camera, a proper ring light, proper filming equipment. Of course, I'm going to get that along the line, maybe when I get monetized, maybe this year, next year, I don't know when. I'm working towards that, but that's it, guys. So that's it. So that's how I started. I researched. I have my book where I put all my ideas. I write out all my videos, all my content. And what else? Then research, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. Putting out a content is not easy, especially a finance content. It's really not easy. I do a lot of research, and that's the challenges. And let's talk about the challenges. One, to get content, I have to research. I have to watch a lot of YouTube videos. I have to read. I have to talk to one or two people, you know, when it comes to finance, to make sure I'm saying the right thing. And especially, I don't know if you watch my video. I'm going to put a link somewhere. Why small businesses fail. That took a long part. That video is super long. That's part 1 and part 2. I did a lot of research on it. So it's something like that. Like, it's not easy. So so that's it. The challenge of getting content, guys, is not here at all. It's not here. But like I said, I'm actually taking this as a career. I'm taking this YouTube thing as a career. A lot of people are big on YouTube. They've done well for themselves on YouTube, and I want to do that. So it's like I'm building my own career, and so I'm so taking it very serious, guys. So that's why I'm buying all my equipment, all my everything. I'm going to take it. Don't worry, very soon you won't be seeing this background. All these my dead backgrounds I've been using, guys. Everything will, along the line, everything is going to change. So it's a matter of time. So that's it. Another challenge as a small YouTuber based in Lagos, because I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. As a small YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, is internet. The struggle to get internet is crazy. Uploading videos, like, I use 1 or 2 internet providers. I can use one, and it's so slow, guys. To be so slow, and I use the other one, and it's fast. So for you to be a YouTuber, you can't just use one. You have to use, like, what I'm just saying is that the internet providers are not really not reliable. So it's another issue. So what else? Okay, I've talked about that. For me, another thing is filming. I actually, when I started, I told myself I'm going to be uploading once a week. I've not been consistent with that. In fact, I've not been true to myself in that once a week because of my work. Sometimes I say, okay, I film every Saturday, but guys, today is a Saturday, so I'm filming today, so it's convenient for me. But some other Saturdays I can be so busy, like I will not even film, I will not even remember YouTube. So, and it's a very big challenge for me, but I like it because it's something I'm doing apart from work. Like, if I lose my job tomorrow, God forbid, I'm ready to hold on to something. I'm ready to hold on to this YouTube. I'm ready to hold on to other things. So I just like the fact that I distract myself. I'm doing something I like. So it's just something, like I said, it's a career. So it's something, guys. So that's it. Another, filming time is crazy. Filming time, editing, I have someone that edits my videos, so it's very easy for me. No stress, although I'm learning some editing. I'm learning how to edit on my phone, but I have someone that standby edits for me. Very soon I will start editing my videos myself, because the person cannot be editing all for life for me. So I have to edit myself, and I'm learning that one too. So it's been a very big challenge for me, and I actually like it. I like that. So it's good. So if you're also if you're about to start your own channel, yes, you need to get editing tools. I use my editor use Adobe Premiere Pro or something to edit. Yes, and it's actually very good. There is no watermark or anything. It's good. Then also I know there's one I have on my phone, there's one app I downloaded. I can't remember the name. If I remember, I'll put the name on the screen. So that one is actually very good too. So that's the one I'm still practicing. So there are a lot of editing applications, a lot of editing app you can use for your YouTube. You can just search, basically just search online and you will get it. So I think that's all for now. If there's any other thing, I can do a part 2 of this video, but that's all for now. So thank you guys. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends that want to start a channel. You don't have to use 500,000 or 100k to start a channel. I started with just 15,000. You get. And if you even stay in a quiet area, you don't even have to get a microphone. Or if you stay in a place that, or if you shoot maybe midnight, where there's no noise, change, you don't even need a mic. So it depends on what you want to do. Some people start their channel with zero, in fact no cost, 0 naira, and they started their channel. But I started mine with 15,000 naira. So that's it. Please don't forget to share, like, give it a thumbs up, yes, like, and subscribe. If your subscribe button is showing subscribe, guys, you've not done the needful, subscribe, please. We are moving higher, guys. We're moving higher. Please subscribe, and also follow me on my social media. Like, you can see my name, Ritworm. That is why I wore this card. That's you can see my name, Ritworm. Please follow me on Instagram. My handle is Ritworm. My Twitter is Ritworm. I'm going to put everything on the screen. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.